Check, 1, 2. Alright, it is Friday, November 24th, Thanksgiving weekend, and we're going to do a market review and a little update on what's to come. Let's get it started. First, I did want to show you guys the trading journal I use, and I have used for a couple years now. Every year I buy an annual membership. It's TraderSync. I'm not too aware of any other alternatives besides TraderView. I don't really like it though. This one has a mobile app, so I like that. I know JournalTix is good, but I think it's exclusive to Jigsaw. I'm not sure, but this one has a tagging system, so we'll go into that in a second. I'm just going to show you this really fast. If you're not interested, there will be a timestamp. But so this is your calendar tab. Shows, you know, your performance, how you're doing, tallied up month, week, days, and you can click each day. You can actually put notes in each day from journal right here and create a journal for each day. But so you click each day and it brings you to this overview tab. To the dashboard and to what you have highlighted. And this is just today I was doing drills. And so you have each trade, you can order it. There's so many different things you can put here, symbols. You can sort it by portfolios. So I have Apex funded portfolios, self-funded, paper when I'm playing demo, market replay. I don't have my long terms in here yet though. You can sort it by tags, so mistakes, setups, symbol. You know, I have ES, MES, MNQ, QQQ. Those are when I played options. So yeah, when you go to a trade, I really like this part a lot. It takes 1 day to populate your chart, but it shows you a trading view chart that you can change the time frame on and draw on, whatever, and it shows your fills. So I like that a lot. And then what I do is, if you watch my timestamp video, you can in the notes, I put my timestamp to the trade, so this will be the trade right here, getting filled any minute now. Sometimes I rewind it a little bit to get some context. Should begin filled. So yeah, I get filled right there. So yeah, I like doing that. And so yeah, that's about it with the dashboard. It just shows some basic stats and whatnot, but for whatever you have selected. And then this is the setups tab. These are old, I haven't tagged in a while, but you tag your trades. I'll show you that in one quick second, but it's sorted by win percentage, cut by hand win, high day break. Those are setups. You know, I can see the win percentage on my setups. I don't really care about the dollar form one. And then you can put all these different filters on it, compare, and then you do you do the same as well from setups to mistakes. Those are the two different ways to tag. Let me just do an example of what the tags look like. So this is how I tag now. I don't put I'm not tagging setups right now. I just put either for every trade, entry good, entry early, entry late, or entry not sure, exit good, exit early, exit late, or exit not sure. Target hit, cut by hand win, cut by hand loss, cut by hand break even, stop hit. Now, each of those, I have to tag at least one per. And then I also just choose like left sum on table, or let green turn red, left sum on table, no setup. And yeah, that's about it for TraderSync. So just wanted to mention that there is a pretty good sale right now. Also, even if there's not a sale, annual plans can be very discounted. That's what I get. So yeah, here we go in the review. This is ES's weekly naked. Cup and handle is what this is drawing showing. So we did have a cup and handle. Let's see. We have this trend line approaching it. I know we're going to struggle in this zone. We have a psych number 4,600, but the market is just gassed on shorts right now. as you can see from the weekly even, there's no sign of them getting any room to cover. So we have the end of this high node right here with confluence, so 4600, big resistance, as well as I would watch this zone slash the bottom of the node, so 4440, and expect us to chop around here before failure, but this trend line's on big watch as well as psych price. Daily, have to break this pivot, wicking above it, kind of don't like to see that. Pull back to here would be healthy. For the 4 hour, we're in this channel, broke it, and I wasn't sure if there was a retest, but there was not. And so I drew this trend line as well, and on this trend line, we struggled to break it a little bit, but once we did, we based on it for an entire overnight session. And so in the 4 hour, coming up to what would be this zone right here, kind of accepting here at least. Could move this up a little bit if I wanted, and I just said okay. Let's drill it down to the 2 hour, so you can see how strong this market's been. Let's get a measurement. So from this swing, we got 28 days, 92,000 positive delta, 459 points, 1,830 ticks. It's nice, beautiful. For the market profile, so here's the balance from 9:30. The balance from 11:03. Sorry guys, it's midnight here. So we have the balance from 11:03, and then this should be in here. And then this is, we broke out an overnight. I believe this is CPI. Yeah, CPI. Beautiful gap and overnight single prints. And then right after we balanced, when I show it like this, the darker is overnight, so you can see, you know, failure, an overnight failure, 2 30-minute period failure. So we failed 3 times, 4, you could say that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 30-minute periods, 11, 12, 13, 14 30-minute periods in there. And then we finally, in an RTH session, broke out above, and then beautifully, because there was a lot of excess here and here, so that's where I had, you know, sellers ask, buyers bid, and we broke it, and now that we're accepting there, shorts are covering there, and we're continuing to squeeze. Mark that there. And now this is the new balance from 11:22, which is 2 days ago, so Wednesday. Beautiful curve, by the way. So the dark RTH, and this is the Friday holiday. Purple is the initial balance, 1 hour, pink's 30 minutes, and we couldn't even get out of it. Maybe we did buy a tick, don't feel like looking, but beautiful curve. Beautiful curve. I have these to mark the excess. So we have excess on both sides. Line in the sand for sure, 45.73. So I'll be watching 75, 81, and 600. Here, I'll just put that right here for that section. And then below, 62, 54, and 50. Okay, so yeah, I would like to see us hold this and then go higher for bull case. If not, we would reject off of here this rough area and go lower. Something like that. This balance pock's something to watch as well over at 523. But that's about it with the balance. So let's go over what we're expecting. 75, 81, and 600. To the above side. That's what we're watching. And below 62, 54, and 50, as well as 40, that zone. And then, so I did want to show you guys this. This was a big balance composite we had from end of August as well, and then we broke down right here into another big one, about a week, 5 days each, and then this dotted line is the divider between the two, the bottom of this balance. Now, when we were breaking up, we struggled for about an hour and a half to get in, probably about 2 hours to get in. Finally got in. So I'm watching this rough area, what's that, the 50 area, for us to accept and hold above it, so we continue going back through this virgin balance area and to clean up this excess. Where are you? Clean up this excess. Got a lot down there too. But yeah, so that is the ES, NQ, this is the weekly. Got these high volumes here, high volume nodes here on the 3-year. If you watch my videos, you know I talk about how powerful they are. Could not pass over this one. This one we rejected here. And then this one I would look for to be support now. So far we're topping out on this swing at 170. Here's the daily chart. Don't like that lower high from today, but would like to see us 5,800. Modify text. Above, below. So the above levels I'm watching would be must break 113, 155. As well as 200. And then all-time high, obviously, but I'm not jumping the gun. Below, 900, 800. So here, alright, 900 and 800. Hold. Yeah, so this must hold. If we lose this, row, which is where our MAs are, weekly MAs, which would also be right here, the 20 daily. So, cup and handle still forming out, but we must break this pivot. 250. Nice channel, as well as the point of control from that. Nice zone slash channel respect. We'll see how this goes. 2-hour view. Looks like we had a trend line breakout as well. Beautiful retest. And then the 30-minute. So you can see it's been very, very bullish. Squeezing away. I love it. Santa Claus. He's here. And then, yeah, for the balance, more overnight singles, gap. Pretty much same story. We're this double distribution. So 2 separate balances. We're in this balance zone. Popped up. Held it. And then faked into it. And then RTH blew out probably through news. And then could combine these. And then it's same story. Overnight gap and single prints. Got our balance here. Could not get I copied the balance and then just keep pasting it, and could not get into the next one. Held the gap, and then RTH pushed us into the next one. Held it overnight, and then not a gap down, but broke back into it. So holding this balance, trying to, as you can see today, we that's good to see. So NQ, I'd like to see us stay up here in this balance and not lose this balance. If not, gap fill on both. So this is the data we have. Anything yellow dotted is or high, anything yellow is 3-star high impact. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all days next week. All 5 days we have high impact. Building permits, new home sales Monday, consumer confidence Tuesday, GDP, crude oil Wednesday, core PCE Thursday, and then Friday, ISM manufacturing, PMI, ISM prices, Fed chair Powell speaks. Hopefully he doesn't say close the fucking door. You can pause that if you want to read the other one. So, and then yeah, for traders, trader view. This is the weekly VIX. New low, new local low. Would like to see those held. Little gap there. Alright, so we got some VIX levels. Crazy move. Definitely gotta watch that. SPY weekly. Just going crazy. Little fake out right here. And You know, the cup and handle. And then she goes. That's the plan at least, but I have a few other things to worry about, like this pivot that we're in, and then that pivot, but RSP, which is the equal weighted, let's compare that to SPY. Let me delete all my drawings. Yeah, as expected, tech is keeping us up because this is equally weighted, not heavily tech weighted. We know ES, we know NQ. CL rejected at my point. I don't like to see that because I love CL, but I guess I like to see it because now I can add more. But beautiful upside down V. USO, same song and dance. IWM, nice little fake out. Nice little fake out. Maybe we can get back up here. But there you go, guys. That's it. Hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving, great rest of their weekend. Study up. Let's end this year strong, Q4. And about TraderSync, if you guys are interested, they do have a 7-day free trial, I believe, and I'll put the link in my description. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and let's get it.